In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to spruce up some mags. To save time in the video, I've already done the prep work and applied a base coat of FDE. For prep work, I recommend full disassembly, abrasive blasting, and degreasing. The stencil I'm going to be using is the Military Star Punisher logo. This is available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. Once the base coat is clear, it's time to apply the stencils. In this demonstration, I'm using transfer tape as I find it greatly simplifies the process. Next, we'll spray black in the stenciled area as well as highlight the contours of the project. Once our black is applied, we'll lightly distress with some steel wool. Last, we remove the stencils and reassemble. And that's really about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comments below. You can also support this channel by visiting our website freedomstencils.com.